Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Aloha app. We go to settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Aloha app and you will click. Then we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here in this page you will turn on your airplane mode and you will wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.